Welcome to the best pick. The best line hide is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for a clean and professional mini-split air conditioning installation, ensuring that the refrigerant lines, condensate drain, and electrical wiring are neatly concealed, thereby enhancing both the aesthetic appeal of your space and the longevity of your system by protecting these vital elements from environmental exposure and potential damage. Number 5. TAKTOPEAK Mini-Split Line Set Cover. Get everything you need in one convenient package. Our kit includes more straight and flexible ducts than others, ensuring you won't need to purchase additional parts separately. Designed for simplicity, installation is a breeze. The included flexible duct easily navigates obstacles and neatly conceals the copper pipe near your outdoor unit. Transform your outdoor space with a cleaner, more polished appearance. It not only tidies up the ducts but can also be painted to perfectly match your home's design. Crafted with high-quality materials, including durable PVC, PE, and PP, along with galvanized screws. This ensures it withstands the elements and provides long-lasting protection. This solution is compatible with most mini-split and central air conditioning systems. It's suitable for units ranging from 7,000 to 24,000 BTUs. What we like. This kit offers exceptional value with an extended length and more included parts than competitors. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that minimizes the need for separate purchases and covers a larger area, this is a great choice. It's ideal for DIYers or those who want a complete package right out of the box. What people say. The line hide for mini-split is a great way to keep your outdoor unit looking clean and tidy. It is made of durable plastic that will withstand the elements and last for years to come. The line hide is easy to install and comes with all the necessary hardware. Number 4. 4-foot, 7.5-foot mini-split line cover. Introducing our 4-inch by 7.5-foot line cover kit, designed to perfectly conceal both indoor and outdoor AC pipes and tubes. It offers a clean and professional look for your mini-split system. Crafted from upgraded PVC and PP materials, this cover is built for longevity. It's more flexible and sturdier than standard options, ensuring it won't easily break. This versatile line cover is suitable for a wide range of systems, including mini-splits, central AC, and HVAC units from 700 to 36,000 BTU. It's designed to fit most common installations. Keep your outdoor unit looking neat and tidy. This cover not only organizes your pipes and cords but can also be painted to seamlessly match your home's exterior, improving its overall appearance. By protecting your AC unit's lines, this cover helps extend its lifespan and reduces the need for frequent maintenance. Enjoy a more reliable and efficient system. We stand behind our product. If you encounter any issues or have questions, our customer support team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. What we like. This option boasts a wider diameter and upgraded, more flexible material, making it suitable for a broader range of AC units. If you have larger diameter lines or need a cover that's exceptionally sturdy yet easy to maneuver around obstacles, this is the one to consider. It's perfect for those with higher BTU systems or complex installations. What people say. It was easy to install and looks great. This product worked perfectly for hiding the lines on my mini-split. The material is durable and it has held up well outdoors. Number 3. DELLA 25-foot mini-split line set. Experience unparalleled precision with our mini-split line set. Its robust construction ensures leak-proof performance and excellent thermal conductivity, built to withstand even the toughest environments. Our line set offers complete protection with 3-layer insulation. It guards against the elements, reducing drips and extending the service life of your equipment and walls. Designed for extreme temperatures, it performs reliably from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 221 degrees Fahrenheit. Its UV and moisture-resistant coating ensures durability and efficiency in any climate, all year round. This complete accessory kit includes all the essentials for a hassle-free installation. You'll find everything needed, from refrigerant pipes to insulation, all conveniently in one box. At DELLA, we are committed to providing you with 24/7 customer support. Our dedicated team is always available to assist you with any concerns, day or night. What we like. This product focuses on the core components, offering precision copper pipes with robust 3-layer insulation for optimal performance and durability. If you prioritize the longevity and efficiency of your refrigerant lines and want a kit that includes absolutely everything needed for a professional installation, this is the superior option. It's best for those who demand high quality and a complete, hassle-free setup. What people say. The product is easy to install and looks great. It effectively hides the unsightly mini-split lines, making the outdoor unit look much cleaner. The material is durable and weather-resistant, holding up well against the elements. Number 2. Pioneer Slimline PVC Mini Split Cover Kit. Tired of seeing those unsightly refrigeration pipes on your external walls? Our decorative cover kit is designed to elegantly hide them, enhancing your home's exterior. With an internal cross-section of 3 by 2.5, it's suitable for system sizes of 9,000, 12,000, and most 18,000 BTU capacities. Please ensure your line set fits before purchasing. Adding this to your existing installation is a breeze. Most components can be added easily, though the flexible piece and wall cap require installation during or before connecting the lines. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: 439 to 3/8 straight pieces, one flexible piece, couplings, a reducer, elbows, a wall cap, and all necessary hardware like anchors, screws, and ties. Upgrade your mini-split air conditioner or heat pump installation with this premium PVC cover kit. It provides a clean, professional look to your outdoor unit. What we like. This slim profile line cover is designed for aesthetic integration and ease of use, especially for adding to existing setups. If you're concerned about the visual appearance and need a solution that can be easily incorporated without major disruption, this is a strong contender. It's particularly well suited for smaller to medium-sized systems where a sleek look is a priority. What people say. The line hide is very durable and has held up well against the elements. Installation was straightforward and the kit included all the necessary hardware. The design is sleek and blends in well with the exterior of the house. Number 1. BEWAVE Mini Split Line Set Cover Kit. Ensure your ductless mini split system lasts longer. Our professional-grade cover protects your system from sun exposure, extending its lifespan. Crafted from ultra-durable, weather-resistant PVC, this cover is designed to withstand extreme temperatures. It will protect your lines for years without fading or cracking. This tubing cover is suitable for a wide range of mini-split and central AC systems. It's designed for units between 700 and 24,000 BTU. Installation is a breeze with fewer screws needed, saving you time and professional installation charges. It can be easily added to existing setups. Keep your piping neat and organized for a professional look. You can even paint it to perfectly match your exterior walls. By keeping your lines protected and organized, you reduce the need for maintenance. This contributes to a longer, more efficient lifespan for your air conditioner. What we like. Built with ultra-durable, weather-resistant PVC, this cover is designed for long-lasting protection against the elements. If you need a robust solution that's quick and easy to install, saving you time and potential labor costs, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who want a reliable, low-maintenance cover that can withstand harsh conditions and maintain a clean appearance. What people say. The line hide from Mini Split is a great product that is easy to install and looks very professional. It is made of durable material and has a sleek design that complements any home decor. The kit comes with all the necessary hardware, making it a convenient all-in-one solution for hiding your mini split lines. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.